Hello, world. So, we want to talk about streets today, and it's an article, there's a hippo links somewhere here, and if you want to know how to run it slowly, a hippo, if you want to just follow along, uh, yeah, text will be here, you can go to the links to all the article, and before anything else, let me if if you have Fox's CE, you probably want to skip this. Yeah, it'll be blink light, so yeah, it's probably not good for you. Uh, Now let's start. So when we thought about screens, uh, how does internet work? We don't know, like low level and thought about a lot of stuff, but for day-to-day floating back in, when we thought about strings, we primarily thought about strings and binary. And from an email like binary, it is strings. When you send a post request in in binary, before, even if you handle with objects, arrays, numbers, you understand fine all of that before sending. So yeah, even object, arrays, is all strings, and it is in base of internet of strings of what we handle day to day. A example for experiment is that we have one from it on multiple sources and use some use at. And so how do you handle it? Probably the naive implementation is we await and fetch another help rip await fetch handle. A problem within this app, let me show. So this is what will happen. One by one, it will all, let me open fast here. Okay, so it on one by one, and if those are slow, and you have to wait, and yeah, mainly it is bad, and you know it's bad. In here, you can say, ha, no one is at, but yeah, when you and you probably gonna see it happen a lot. What is solution? In problem thinking, something around this value is a way everyone in any handle is probably what you is first heavily factor and is probably along this line. So how is that word in here? Let's see. Okay, since word right. However, if we have all the words already complete, but there is one extremely slow. You still have a way everyone complete before doing anything with a first one real fast and already complete. So it is a mixed problem with this approach. And we do something better? Yes, we can. If we combine approach, fetch, then handle, and in the way everyone, we gonna have something like this. As it completes, let me make it faster. As it completes, it will handle when you show. So, right? However, the problem is here is if in Firefox, it actually show, but this one is let me the right one. Yeah. So this one isn't from. It first was something with the first six and N some inward less free. Why? Because of connections. Is used HP1 and because of that it has a limit of connections. It limit 6 meters here in Firefox, but I looked out and I had times where it just was with exact same thing as here in the left, and the last version showed me something like this, and the actual implementation the other had will be like this. It, it will take a little longer, and in person, it's just use the picture. Well, you and really assume it will be available, and it might be a problem. So, how you handle it? Yeah, it should uh, solve it in a way, but if you have a front end handling a lot of connections, now we on the link screen, and let me show it screen. So, uh, it was not a single result. We had multiple little hiccups for each one, switching it live, and then we show a final result. But all the other results were mean like with it. You just want all the eight accumulate for the last one, which means we can show as effect and we can enter as we add it. So even uh, as it we handle it. So if first few hits are fast and then for some reason it takes a while, we can always show something and then wait for the rest of the results and if handling and if showing in. Uh, Normally we'll just rest on JSON if we want to lay out a results and then we do something uh, here. If we have 100 results, yeah, but if we had like 10,000 and 1 million, it is then we only will have a problem because here for 100 it's not even 180. Let me write this real fast. And now let me see if for 10,000 results it will take a while, so let's go for 1,000. 1,000 is 5 megabytes. For 10,000 probably 50, and we have hundreds and hundreds. If we were in one of our examples with multiple ones being all at once, and you probably have you need a lot of run to handle all that. With streams, we handle like it up like ChatGPT, and even if a lot of AI we can handle it without stressing and run a lot. Huh. So let's go back to the first example here. Uh, first, 100. Okay, so now we own a fetch and handle for everyone. Each one of those is a lot of data is so you need uh you need a lot of hand, but here we just use it for that. So we can be a little smarter because even if it's a lot of data, you only need a lot of hand to handle all of that. And let's see if we can. Oh yeah. So here we await everything before showing, but now we have 1 O. It's 1 O. We have a 4 O inboard. Immediately we upload a method. It has enough multiple sources and we all one place and have a deliver all the AO we need. Of all the AO will mean chunks and within we add so instead of if you were to use a normal way you would probably have a for each one sequentially, but here we have an array with objects uh, some way to know from which for which one it is, but it's not necessary in order here. We can know in order. We await everyone in something, but here we don't know in order. We know it will in order. Who knows? So now finally verify multiple sources and let us read the results to see how is it happens. So yeah, if it's still one API with all one place, it'll let handle lots of results at once. Let me put here, so even if the lot is still one, let me go fast one. So from it, met it, sources, as a generate data, it will route from one point and send from an as it receives data, it will header it immediately, no matter order. It, all for that is the same for a from and for a met. Let me show. We have a fetch and a signal or more. Then we have a reader. Is reader is a readable string for node and is a node string that might have implementation a little different, but this oh it will work the same for both a front and a back. Let me here. Next step we have a buffer. This buffer will accumulate results. Uh, it is a while loop, so we own a loop until everything is done. It is a rater, rate is a iterator, so we have assigned a value. We until it's done, we own if own and if we have a value, we accumulate a value in a buffer, and we check if it can also this value, you might think, it's one object, it's one row of stats, it's one in an array, but no. This value might be half an object. It might be multiple lines for a string. You don't know, you don't know how much it is at one value. So you have a first accumulate and then you check if you can assume and if you can assume and you split what you can assume from the rest is what you can assume you will usually always chunk you enter a chunk from it you send you write and send the result a chunk in method you will create a buffer and that's it. It is actually simple. Yes, we how we know if we can assume how we split is it where it open it, but as far as 004 is really far, it mainly is, and yes, it's not at hard. The hard part is all things, and you might be thinking, well, if you just using one connection, then you can probably manipulate that connection in some way and do something in flight, right? It is pretty stupid, but let's also uh, yes, we can do something really fun with bring you probably not in production, but let's say we have it here and we ate some 1 EO to fly. So let me up here and hit move. And once you own, we can change here, we can change its speed in own. If we check here, let me reset. We still have one connection. So it's one connection own, and while it's own, we unchange one value. If it's you open, right? Let me here and here. It auto uh we fetch from one place, but it orders you if it opens. So we unmanipulate its brain as it opens. Making it easy so like salt, right? So uh we unmanipulate it, it as it comes, and we use the same place for whatever else we own. And how can you use it? Yeah, I'm not sure. It is probably not native. Is it simple? We can control a lot of factors for actual production. Yeah, no, it is probably not something you want to do. Uh, After that, we are using string here, but with JSON we get a lot of problems if you want to parse, especially parse as you own. Error handling, there's no error handling here, so it is not replacing and have a low complexity. Should you use it? Hmm, it depends on the age. For most 8 hour JSON is more enough, but it depends on what you're doing and have like these ones probably not. Maybe maybe for you each one will be enough, but if it's art, let's say a slow effect, it will take a while. So here we are showing progress, but not necessarily at. So, but with something like this, even slowing and treat a user thinking that is not really happening, something that it is. So yeah, it is you can use free user as thinking faster. You can handle out of memory because you can handle it AI that comes. You can handle gigabytes, terabytes of data with a little low run footprint because you all have what money of it before doing anything. Uh, yeah. Is this is use React and a lot going on out in CSS and Instinct and out in Blinking Lights and well, it might be slow for some situations, but it's probably it can be as fast as it's probably in conclusion. at Arsenal, it's not necessarily uh, you're probably not gonna use everywhere you need the engine permanent only everywhere, but it's probably need somewhere, and well, if one helps, and always have some help from me. For me, isn't it? Now it's with you. I'll have fun with this. And yeah, it's anything funny to say, like hello word from its art and so more like.